150 species in genus Ligularia. Ligularia, a gardener's delight. The world of plants is vast and diverse, filled with captivating species that possess unique beauty and charm. Among these botanical wonders is the genus Ligularia, a group of hardy perennials that has captured my heart with its bold foliage and vibrant flowers. As an avid gardener, I've always been drawn to plants that make a statement, and Ligularia certainly fits the bill. Native to the moist meadows and woodlands of Asia and Europe, Ligularia is a member of the Asteraceae family, which also includes sunflowers and daisies. The genus name, derived from the Latin word ligula, meaning strap, refers to the distinctive shape of the ray florets that encircle the central disc flowers. These ray florets often come in shades of yellow, orange, and red, creating a striking contrast against the lush green foliage. Why I love Ligularia. What truly sets Ligularia apart is its impressive foliage. The large, deeply veined leaves can range in shape from heart-shaped to kidney-shaped, and they often exhibit a rich, dark green hue. Some species even boast dramatic purple or bronze tones, adding another layer of visual interest to the garden. The texture of the leaves is equally captivating, with some species featuring a velvety or embossed surface. But Ligularia is more than just a pretty face. These plants are incredibly hardy and adaptable, thriving in a variety of conditions. They prefer moist, well-drained soil and partial shade, but they can also tolerate full sun if provided with adequate moisture. Once established, Ligularia requires minimal care, making it an ideal choice for busy gardeners like myself. A diverse genus. The genus Ligularia encompasses a fascinating array of species, each with its own unique characteristics. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Ligularia in the garden. In my own garden, I found that Ligularia pairs beautifully with a variety of other plants. The bold foliage provides a stunning backdrop for delicate ferns and hostas, while the vibrant flowers create a lively contrast with the cool tones of blue and purple perennials. I also enjoy using Ligularia to add height and texture to my borders. One of my favorite ways to incorporate Ligularia into my garden is by planting it near water features. The moisture-loving nature of these plants makes them a perfect fit for pond edges or stream banks. The large leaves also help to create a sense of tranquility and seclusion, transforming any water feature into a peaceful oasis. Beyond the aesthetics, while I primarily appreciate Ligularia for its ornamental value, it's worth noting that these plants also play an important role in the ecosystem. The flowers provide a valuable source of nectar for pollinators, such as bees and butterflies. Additionally, the large leaves offer shelter for small creatures, contributing to the overall biodiversity of the garden. In conclusion, Ligularia is a genus that offers a wealth of beauty and versatility to any garden. Its bold foliage, vibrant flowers, and hardy nature make it a favorite among gardeners of all levels. Whether you're looking to add a touch of drama to your borders or create a tranquil oasis around a water feature, Ligularia is sure to impress. As I continue to explore the world of plants, I'm confident that Ligularia will remain a cherished member of my garden for years to come.